Hey guys, welcome to the station. As you guys might have already seen from the thumbnail, today we are cracking into a Temporal Force sealed display of building metal. We're gonna crack into this box and hopefully we get to pull an SIR. That's our goal, the Raging Bull, my chase card. So hopefully we get to pull it today. Now let's flip you guys around. Let's get over here and let's crack this boxes open. Okay, let's crack this seal open and let's jump right in. Do it from the side. There we go. Boom. Alright, so for today we are going to open 5 of these and we're gonna do the other 5 in another video. So we got our 5. Let's close this back up and let's put it aside. Alright, I'm gonna crack the seals from all of these so it makes it easier to rip them open. Should be good. Now let the fun begin. We should get 4 packs and our promo for alligator. Nice. Okay, so our first one is a for alligator. Our second one is going to be don't need that Codecards. Okay, so I haven't opened any of these yet, so I also don't know the promos that come inside of these. This is all new to me. Hello. There we go. In this one we have Matang. Okay. I've always loved Metagross ever since it was introduced in Gen 3. Big fan. Alright, 2 more. So far so good. We got 1 of each. I believe there's 4 different promos, if I'm not wrong, unless they increased it in the oh look, we got the Maridon. We got 4. Alright, which one are we doubling up in? Put that over there. We got a double Codecards. Alright, not bad. Let's put this aside. And let's rip. Let it rip.
Let's rip them apart!
Alright, so the goal for today is to pull an SIR. As always, that's always the goal, honestly. That's what we do here. We pull SIRs. The Raging Bolt, still my chase card. We got a Hero's Cape. Alright, not bad. Ace Pack. Little Ace Pack with a for alligator hollow in the back. Let's get some sleeves ready. Alright. First little hit. I mean, I don't even know, do those count as hits? Do you guys count those as hit? I don't even know anymore. Alright, pack number 2. let's see how good this building battle display is to us. Hopefully it's a good one. That's what we're here for, the good stuff.
I need the good stuff.
Metagross, Finizen, and Roaring Moon. Hollow. So we've pulled so far from this set only one SIR. It was in our last opening. I was shocked that we even pulled one. We only got 3 hits overall in that opening. And a hollow Drampa. So yeah, we only got 3 hits overall in my last opening. But one of those was an SIR, which I'm very happy about. Morty's Conviction SIR with the Gengar. Pretty happy about that. All we need to pull now is the Raging Bolt, and we'll be good. We'll move on to the next set. Whimsicott Hollow. Okay, next pack. So yeah, my goals is to open some more Temporal Forces, probably like another booster box. Open some Twilight Masquerade, and hopefully go back to some 151 and try to complete the master set. That's my goal. Alright, next pack. Have you guys pulled your chase from Temporal Forces yet? If you guys have, let me know which is your chase and if you pulled it, because these cards are not easy to pull. Well, at least the SIRs are not that easy to pull. And we got our first regular EX hit, Scovillian EX. Pack. So we have a total of 20 packs for today. Hopefully we get some good stuff, and it's not that disappointing of an opening. Coridon, Heatmore, and the Farag Giraffe EX Terraform. Let's go. This is new, so I'll take it. Don't mind pulling this. Alright, next pack. Licky, Matang, Carcoal, Muddale, Explorer, Colossal, Victini, Reverse, Shiftry, and Iron Thorn Hollow. So this is so far our pulls from 2 building battles. We have 3 left, or 3 pulls, 3 packs worth of building battle left. I see something in the bag, a little shine. But is it a hit? That's the real question. Shaman, my cargo, reverse, on the Dunsparce. Oh no. It was not a hit. Alright, so if you guys are wondering about the thumbnail and the rumor, so there's a rumor that supposedly every building battle display has at least one. Hey, we got an Awakening Drum A-Specs. So that every building battle display has at least one SIR within the 40 packs. So I bought a build and battle display to see if that is true or not. Hopefully it's true and we pull one, and if we pull two, that's even better. So we're testing out that theory, and if we don't pull one, then we know it's not true. Buddy Poffin, Colossal, Arbok, and nothing. Oh, whoops.
I dropped again.
Alright, next pack. So yeah, so we're here to debunk the theory, or to prove it. Let's find out if it's true or not. So obviously if we don't pull it within our first 5 building battle, we still have the other 5, and we'll find out in the next video if we do pull an SIR or not. If we don't pull one in this one, obviously, in these 5, that's what I mean. Mincino, Rockruff, Airy, Center Scourge, Buddy, the Buddy, Center Scourge Reverse, and Iron Leaves EX. Okay, another regular EX. Take it. Put these aside, and let's rip the next pack. Come on, man. Where are the good hits? So far, it's pretty okay, I'll say. In case of hits, and the Jumpa Hollow. Yeah, we're doing pretty okay. Let's turn everything around, and let's get the polars. Alright, I'm here to show you guys the polars. Center Scourge, Miss Energy, Lycan Rock, and a Whimsicott Hollow. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Alright. Can we get something in this pack? Pikachu, Ghastly, LGM, Sizzlipede, Roserade, Keldeo, Mudbray, Charjabug, and a Melmetal Hollow. Not what we're looking for. We're down to our last 4 packs. Can we get something? Come on. We haven't even gotten an illustration rare, which is pretty crazy to me. We should at least pull 1 or 2, right? Within 20 packs. Oh no, nothing. Down to our last 3 packs. Can we pull something out of this? Arbok, C-Dot, Totodile, Deerling, Iron Juggles, the Metal Lab, Golark, Puchiana, Mudsdale, and Iron Crown EX. Not what we're looking for. Oh man. Are we gonna regret opening these building battle? I hope not. Come on. Let's get 2 more hits in the last 2 packs. Give us something better than the giraffe.
What?
Right? That's what it says over there. A Koraidon Hollow. Oh no. Can we get a last pack magic? Come on, Iron Crown. Come on. The SIR though, not the regular version. Come out. Meditite, Shaman, Fortress, Slugma, Iron Leaf EXSIR. Last pack magic. Let's go.
It's good stuff. Real good stuff.
W. Mission accomplished. Nice. Check that out. Oh, baby. Oh, man. I ran out of sleeves. Oh, no. Oh, I gotta go get sleeves. Let's place that down. Get a pack of sleeves. Alright. We got our sleeves. And we gotta sleeve this baby up. Let's go. So, is the rumor true? Because we did pull an SIR. Not bad at all. W. Let's go. Sheesh. I might buy another display. And maybe we'll pull another one. Right? Maybe, just maybe. Alright guys, so these were our hit from 5 building battles. We got 3 regular EXs, 2 A specs. We got the Awakening Drum, the Hero's Cape. We got a Terraform full art, and the SIR, Iron Leaves EX. Not the one we're looking for, but we still take it. W. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this opening, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.